What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know you guys probably can tell already by the title and the thumbnail of this video, but today we're going to be introducing a brand new car to you guys. I'm actually super excited, and it's not even my car, but it's a really cool car, and I think it's going to do well. I hope it does well for my boy Aman. And if you guys haven't checked out his video, well, you're going to find out today what we're going to be talking about. So right now I got the 440,000 right here. We're going to go ahead and get in it, and we're going to drive to meet up with Aman. He's gonna kind of show you guys what he has done, man. So I'm super excited for him. If you guys are new, of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that great stuff, man. 440,000 is active, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I'm talking about. So right now, car, hopefully it's warm. I mean, I haven't driven since yesterday, but it's pretty hot outside. I'll still wait like a minute, and then we're gonna head over and meet up with Aman and show you guys what's up. So I hope you guys are super excited for what we are gonna be doing to this thing, man. I'm gonna be helping my boy Aman with everything, so we're gonna try to make this car look incredible. So stay tuned, don't skip forward, wait for it, and you will see what we're talking about. But anyway, don't want to stall or anything like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw down the POV cam for a little bit, drive there, and then show you guys what we got for you. Let's go. Beautiful day outside. It's a little hot. I don't even know why I'm wearing a long sleeve, but it's a little bit hot. It should be okay, because I mean, I'm not gonna be walking outside for too long. And yeah, bro, gonna go link up with the boy. 440,000 outside. Hey, huge shout out to a couple of you guys. Sorry if I don't remember your name, but shout out to you guys. I was actually at like a basketball court, batting cage kind of thing here, and I met a couple of you guys who've been watching the videos, and you know, you guys also got 440,000s and stuff like that. So, and one of you guys told me that you got it because of my videos and stuff, so that's kind of crazy to, you know, to hear. But you know, huge shout out to you guys. You guys were super chill. Nice cars, by the way. Nice 440,000s outside. And maybe we'll link up and go to the city, or do like a city drive, all of us, on all the 440,000s or something like that. I think that would be cool, trying to get them kind of together and go from there. But yeah, bro, huge shout out to y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm just gonna be chilling. Man, I'm excited, man. It's a beautiful day for a beautiful car, a beautiful new car that I'm gonna be doing some POV drives in. You already know I'm gonna be doing that, so stay tuned for those. But in the meantime, I'm gonna let my boy Aman, you know, enjoy the car first, do everything he gotta do, and then we're gonna go ahead and take it for a spin. And of course, it's gonna be a fun time, bro. So make sure you're here for it. Stay tuned, all that fun stuff. And yeah, let's get it. Sheesh, I spotted with my little eye a BMW. Look at it. That's kind of tough. Don't really like the back of those cars, but it's alright. I think this is X6. I don't really like the back. But anyway, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. I'm gonna pick up the camera again once we get there. I don't want to expose my boy Aman or anything like that. I don't want to give up where he live at, you know what I'm saying? But hey, stay tuned up. We're gonna get you guys in a little bit. Let's go. Oh man, yo, when was the last time you saw this camera, bro?
Bro, I can't remember the last time you saw this camera.
This camera has been hidden. I was giving them a little hints of what's going on. The car guys is sitting right there. Got my boy Aman. You excited for it, bro?
Bro, I'm mad excited.
Are you feeling a little more? Because I know before you were like,
I already almost got pulled over today.
In it?
Yeah, I kind of did a rolling burnout, but not like a crazy one. And then I just see a cop go right behind me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Boy went crazy. He said, yep, this is the car I'm gonna have some fun in. But yeah, I'm not gonna stall you guys. We got Aman right here. We got the damn, I showed it already. Well, I was gonna say, well, we got the G80,000 right here, but this lens is too wide. But right here, we got the, I never know these cars. The Mark
A90,000.
A90,000.
Yeah.
So this is, you said the Mark 5. So I don't know much about Supras, guys. So Mark 5, Supra, 2021. 2021.
Yes, sir.
Kind of give you guys a little hold on, a little walk around on the car, man.
But before you do, let me just say it's clapped.
It's not, bro. He keeps saying it's clapped.
It's clapped.
There is, like, I'm gonna say this. There is a couple things that we gotta work on, okay? But I still don't think it's clapped, bro.
Bro, it's clapped.
Amen and his black cars, bro. What's up with him, bro? Always with his black cars.
Well, hold on. I already said on my channel, so you guys I'm wrapping that car.
Yeah.
If you want to wrap your car, get it in black. That's why I like this one.
Yeah,
we're gonna wrap this too.
That's why he got them all in black. But
Facts.
let's give you guys a little walk around. We got the Supra. I know you guys are gonna say, "What the hell's wrong with the hood?"
It's
well,
clapped.
It's
clapped.
a couple things. This is carbon fiber.
Clapped.
Carbon fiber. You know what I'm saying?
Carbon
but
fiber.
carbon fiber, and I guess the sun and water, whatever it was, messed it up.
Yeah.
But knowing Amen, he's gonna get that sorted out. We got some more carbon fiber here on the caps. We got the this is so nice. It's like a little toy car, bro.
Bro, this thing gets so much like attention.
Yo, it's.
Hold on, before you because I noticed this thing has like my name and all that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
right,
I don't know if you.
I won't go back
did
there. We will not go back there because I know some people are haters and they might, try to find us and do, bad things to us. But anyway, is it unlocked?
Yeah. 1 sec. Here, now you can go. You can come back here now.
I want to show you guys the rear because that's probably my favorite part of the car. I really like the rear. He was thinking about like getting rid of this. I was like, bro, keep it.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Nah,
you don't like
I feel
the wing.
like
You guys let us know right now down below if he should keep the wing or if he should get rid of it. I think he should keep it. He wants to get rid of it.
Though, come look at it from this angle. Look at it from like here, right? This car
look tough.
It looks tough. It's got hips. It's got hips for
it definitely
sure.
does.
But like because it's short and like it just feels stubby to me. So I want to kind of like elongate the car.
Yeah.
So I feel like this wing only makes the car like taller. You know
It
what I mean?
does,
So it
it
kind of
does.
makes it like stubbier.
It does,
But if
yeah.
we do like an extended duckbill, I
Yeah.
feel like it's just gonna kind of create like more like a Euro look. Like right now, this looks JDM. And JDM is cool. Like some people are gonna hate on me, but like it's a JDM car technically.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna go for like the Euro look, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
All right.
sleeker
So
like.
he got a vision for it. So
Yeah, it's gonna be
okay.
sick. I'll
Fine.
tell you off camera what color I'm thinking about
Okay,
wrapping it because I
bet,
think I.
But still, let us know which one you think is better: keeping the wing or getting rid of it. But anyway, this thing looked like a Batmobile look,
Bro, it does.
The
It does.
tints
Open it.
all the way around 5%, I believe. The
Yeah,
guy
the cheapy
said.
tints.
The cheap tints.
The
cheap
cheapies.
tints.
The cheapies.
The cheapies. But look at the exterior, guys.
Also clapped.
Bro, hey man, it's not clap, bro. It's good. If we get in it, it's basically freaking BMW, you guys. It's like the same thing. You cleaned it? You haven't cleaned it, right?
Nope.
No. It looks pretty clean from where we got it. Not really.
Nah.
No, not really. Maybe it's just his body odor, bro. Then maybe that's just what he smelled like.
Yo.
But not smoke. But I'm saying maybe like that's just like you see how we all have like our own scent.
Nice.
I don't smell smoke.
Your camera got a nice view of my big nose.
Smelling it. But anyway, we got the Supra, bro. Super tiny. This is probably my second time ever being in a Supra, and well, the first time was when we wanted to get it.
Yeah.
And then the second time is now. But yeah,
Bro, this
looking
thing's still
good.
happy.
One thing I can say, I do not like the steering wheels on the Supras. I don't know if you guys do, but I definitely don't like the steering wheels on the
We're
Supra.
already in the process of changing that, by the way.
Already, bro?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Amen don't be waiting for nothing, bro. We got some more carbon
like
fiber in here, and
You want to hear it?
oh yeah, you guys gotta hear the
All right.
car, man.
Well, actually, you know what? Because you got a whole bunch of like B58 guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna start it. We'll give it like a few. I've been driving the car, so the car is still warm.
Okay.
You guys have to guess. We'll tell you after, but guess what you think. The exhaust system is not stock. We'll put it that way. It has something.
It has
But I wanna
something
see
done to it,
if
so
B58 guys can
you
guess
guys gotta comment below what it is, okay?
All right, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Here, let's put it in sport and start it.
Yeah, you can kind of see. You
ready?
Yeah.
Want to get a
Go
clip
ahead.
of the exhaust?
Here we go. Here we go, you guys. It sounds just like my car, bro. It sounds good, bro. The freaking Supra.
All right, you guys did you guys comment yet? No cheating.
Yeah, comment down below what you think is done to the exhaust. If there's something done to it, so if you know, you know. Comment down below and we'll let you know if you
no
got
cheating.
it right. No cheating, all right?
We'll let you guys know later. But
For
I feel like it should be. I feel like B58 guys, you should know.
You should know. You should know, but
All right, let's get a. You want to see?
oh yeah, let me show you guys
the Toyota, AKA BMW engine.
Toyota. Damn, that hood is so light. What the heck?
It's a massive hood.
Yeah, it's a big hood. But this is what we're working with, man.
Little B58.
Welcome the B58 gang again. You joined us. Amen wanna be like us so bad, man. Look at the 440,000 over here, bro. Wanna be like us so bad, but Amen got a lot of stuff coming for this car. He's gonna be doing so much to it. You guys already know.
Everyone roasted me. They're saying that the M3 sounded worse than the 440 in that video.
Oh,
so I said, all right, bet. I'm gonna get my own B58.
And now we all sound, and now we sound the same. Yeah.
Now we sound the same.
Yeah. But yeah, Amen's gonna be doing so many things to this car, bro. So you guys gotta stay tuned. Make sure you guys are checking him out on YouTube because he's gonna do a lot to it. Are you gonna just keep the stock rims, you think?
I don't know. I'm debating.
You're debating.
So like this thing, we can run like 305s in the rear.
Yeah.
Because right now this car, all right, I'll give you like, I mean, you can obviously
I don't know
come back and do like a POV of driving this car.
Yeah.
And then you can experience it yourself, but. Obviously, as you guys know, like, the Supra's just rear-wheel drive.
Yeah.
It's 275s in the rear, and these are some cheapy tires, so it does not grip for nothing.
That's
so
perfect.
Yeah, bro,
that means we're gonna be doing some donuts.
Bro, I mean, so the cop literally comes right up you. Bro, that was. I actually thought I was gonna get pulled over.
Wait, was it near here or somewhere else?
Yeah, it was like
right here?
over here.
Yeah, you got lucky.
Bro, I took my brother with me, and I was like, "Hey, you want to see something cool?"
And you
We're
said
going
that,
yeah.
And on top of that, you got 10 plates, so you didn't got real plates. So
Yeah.
I'm surprised he didn't pull you over.
Bro, I'm surprised. I literally went,
Yeah.
and I hid behind another car. But if you wanted to, you could follow me.
Yeah,
I think
probably.
because I like let off. I didn't keep on going fast. I just kind of. Anyways, cheapy tires. So I want to put like better wheels, like that can fit like a wider tire.
What is this? What's on it right now? What size is it? Oh, 275, 35, 19. Is that what I think that's what I use in mine.
What, these tires?
No, like that size.
275?
I think so.
Oh yeah, maybe.
I think
Maybe. Yeah. I think so. But these, I feel like we need wider.
Wider, yeah. For
Yeah,
this
like
car,
305s.
especially since it's rear-wheel drive. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
It's nice though, bro. It's
Bro,
like,
it's so cool.
yeah, it's such a cool looking car, bro.
Yeah, it's cool, man.
Like I said, it's only my second time seeing it, but it's
it
such a cool car, bro.
feels like a toy, bro. The amount
It
of
looks like a
attention.
toy.
Yeah, it does. The amount of attention, like that, the M3 is like 4 times
look
the
at this.
price.
Yeah.
So much more modified, like mad expensive forged wheels, like everything. This thing's pretty much stock and clapped. And then it still gets so much more attention.
That's crazy. They don't know, bro. They don't know what this is, but they see
Yeah.
this. It just looks more like a. What is that? Like that car
Yeah.
looks cool. You know what I mean? This is just kind of more expensive car, but looks like more of a. You know,
It looks like a sedan.
yeah, it just looks like a sedan.
Yeah,
with,
it looks
with
like a
nice
sedan.
rims and stuff. And little do they know, there's like $40,000 in mods on that thing. And this thing is
It's clapped.
yeah, Amen loves saying that. Yeah, chill. But anyway, guys, this is the new car that you guys are gonna be seeing more of, mostly on my boy Amen's channel, because you guys know he loves modding his cars. So make sure you guys stay tuned to his videos, subscribe to his channel, and I mean that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to see me POV this thing, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and let me know if I should or not.
M3.
And the yeah, I still gotta do the M3, bro.
Bro, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I've been
Not
slacking.
like the first time.
Yeah, now the car is so much different than the last time.
Yeah.
So I
well,
definitely
the last
gotta.
time you drove it like a Camry.
Yeah. I was afraid. I'm still afraid, bro.
Bro,
Don't you
I'm so
see how
afraid.
afraid you will be? Imagine me.
This thing, you know what's the best? I've been saying this, and I'll say it on this video too. This thing feels like a precision knife.
Yeah.
That thing feels like a machete.
Yeah.
Especially with these tires, it just feels like a machete. It's like, it's just like.
Look at that
This
thing,
thing-
man. Yeah.
Wait.
Thumbnail. Oh, new car. Who this?
my knees almost broke doing that, bro. I'm getting old.
Yo. But anyway, guys, with that being said, I'm going to leave it right here. I don't want to go too in-depth into this. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we're going to be talking a lot more about this car and taking it for a spin and stuff, all that. Make sure you subscribe to my boy Aman. Subscribe to your boy Sticks. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's go.